Hello to everyone. This is my presentation for English Level 3. My name is Andrés Felipe Guerrero Beltrán. I am 26 years old. I am from Tunja. I work as administrative support of Sofia Plus platform in the Sena. I like to listen music and I go to the gym every day. I am a student of system engineering. I belong to the ciudad of Tunja. In this moment, I present you my chosen place for this activity. This place is Plaza de Bolivar. It's the most important place in the city. This place is located in the historical center. It's the third largest square in Latin America. Plaza de Bolivar is located in one of the highest points in the city. In the center of a square is the statue of Simón Bolívar. Around it's located the city hall. In Palacio de la Torre are located the headquarters of Boyacá's government and some historical places of national importance. There are some places that are important for the daily lives of the people who live in Tunja, such as banks, drugstores, Boyacá's lottery building, the main cathedral of the city, restaurants which offer typical plates of the Colombian gastronomy. One of the most important places located in the Plaza de Bolívar is Casa del Fundador. This place exhibits all the aspects related to Gonzalo Suárez Rendón, who is the founder of the city. I invite everyone to visit my beloved city and especially Plaza de Bolívar. Thank you.